Two of the other common issues that we see is the product either pouring too quickly or too slowly. Now we're going to go over a few broad strokes things to look for, but in the description of this video we will have links to more specific videos going over exactly how to adjust certain parts and clean. The first thing to look at is the pressure. For coffees and teas, the pressure should be set between 30 and 35 psi. For kombucha, it should be set between 8 to 10 psi. And for mates and seltzers, it should be set between 13 to 15 psi. Now, if the product is pouring too slowly, of course, you'd want to increase the pressure. If it's pouring too quickly, you want to decrease the pressure. And if you are decreasing the pressure, you also want to pull on the small ring on the side of the coupler just to release some of the built-up pressure as well. Depending on which faucet your coffee is running through, will determine what steps you need to take. On an intertap faucet, the most common issue is with the Stout spout itself. If the coffee is pouring too quickly, you might have a piece missing from the Stout spout. If you remove the tip and use either a straw or a coffee stirrer, even a pen or a pencil, and remove the small pieces inside, you should see a rubber O-ring, the metal restrictor disc, and a small plastic plug at the bottom. If your coffee is pouring too slowly through the intertap faucet, the restrictor disc might be clogged up by sediment or just a little bit of buildup from the line and need to be cleaned out. If you have a flow restrictor faucet, there is a small arm on the side of the faucet. If you push that arm down, it will slow down the flow. Pushing the arm up will increase the flow. If you have a more standard beer faucet, then inside of the kegerator will be an inline flow restrictor. These are set with a 2.5mm Allen key that are inserted into this small hole in the center of the knob, and then as you spin the Allen key, the plastic plug in the center will move up and down. Moving it up will increase the flow, moving it down will decrease the flow. I hope that was useful, and again, we do have links to more in-depth descriptions of all these processes in the description of this video.